guys, welcome to BONOSS Wheel Spaces Unofficial. If you like our videos, give us a thumb up and make sure to subscribe. In this video, let's talk about the shelf-type wheel bolts. A BONOSS Forged Grade 12.9 shelf-type wheel lock bolt kit includes 20-piece wheel bolts, 20-piece shells, a hex 19mm socket, 4-piece locking bolts, a lock kit. The BONOSS shelf-type wheel bolt adopts a 2-piece design. Shell part uses high-strength aluminum alloy 7075T6, which has many excellent characteristics. The shells have two styles of high and short shells. The high shell is 55mm and the short shell is 38mm. There are 8 colors of the shell, which are red, gray, gold, black, purple, sky blue, deep blue, and silver. More color options. What is the difference between the BONOSS wheel bolts and others? BONOSS wheel bolts are made by the forging process. The forging process is formed by continuously strong pressure extrusion, which brings excellent mechanical and physical properties to the bolt. The 12 petals shaped on the top are patterned by a large tonnage machine at one time. Ordinary forging cannot form this pattern on the hard alloy steel SCM440. Which further reflects BONOSS super forging process. While the BONOSS shelf-type wheel bolts is your best choice. Safety is always the function and promise of all BONOSS designs. Beauty and safety are the most attractive feature of wheel bolts. Not only are there 8 colors, but there are also 8 to choose from, making the appearance of wheels not only more outstanding but also safe. Also, BONOSS has professional design and manufacturing experience. Therefore, it has become the choice of many OEM brands and professionals. What's more attractive is that BONOSS provides professional consulting service before purchasing. What is the benefit of installing the shelf-type wheel bolts? Installing shelf-type wheel bolts is not only the way of experienced professional but also the pursuit of beauty and the attitudes of loving life. While getting a better appearance, it can also ensure the driving safety of the vehicle. At the same time, the special slip and 4 lock wheel bolts are given to prevent the wheel from being stolen and improve safety. Why do both of the shells and the wheel bolts have the BONOSS logo? Each shelf-type wheel bolt is engraved with B or BONOSS, which means that these wheel bolts and shells are manufactured by BONOSS factory. The quality is guaranteed, the interests of customers are protected, and BONOSS assures the quality. BONOSS believes that focus makes more professional, and professional can create more value for customers. Therefore, BONOSS insists on producing the professional BONOSS shelf-type wheel bolt to give customers more peace of mind and at the same time have confidence in the quality of BONOSS product. BONOSS has fully obtained more than 66 ISO International Standard SPS, TUV test reports, and achieved excellent results. We believe that only high standard quality measurements and authenticity reports can meet the most fundamental needs of customers for products. Let's see how to install the shelter wheel bolts. Remove the wheel bolt from your wheel. Install the wheel bolt with a hex 17mm socket. Install a lock wheel bolt with the lock key. Use a torque wrench and set it to 140 Nm to tighten the wheel bolt. Use a torque wrench to tighten the wheel bolt in a star pattern. Install the wheel bolt first and then install the shell. Install the shell by hand and prohibit the use of impact driver. Use a torque wrench and set it to 5mm to 10mm to tighten the shell. If you want to get the bonus shelter wheel bolts, please make sure to see the link down on the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day!